Jong kinong yele kai sports. Ka Kynhun ki Myntri Jong ka jala ni kasngi. Kala ai jing menjur ya ka jing pentrikam Jong ka Meghalaya Minor Mineral Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines arajar R4R but ya ka Meghalaya Building Bylaws arajar R4R. Ka Kynhun Myntri kala ai jing bedru alor ka jing pentip ya ka ai lani ka Kindon Jong ka Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation Rules.
What is this? So let's start it. Regarding the Meghalaya Minor Minerals Reclamation Fund Management Guidelines 2022, it was a very simple amendment where the agencies which are eligible to implement the funds was only enhanced in the sense that earlier there were 9 agencies which can implement the funds. We have added the Biodiversity Board. So that was the only amendment that was made. The second, which was regarding the rules for the Meghalaya Professions, Trades, Callings and Employment Taxation rules. These are normal procedures. Once the act is come in, then obviously the rules have to follow. So we have notified the rules today. Regarding the Meghalaya Buildings Amendment Bylaws 2022, certain amendments have been made. There are a long list of details. It will not be possible for me to go through all of them. They are highly technical also in nature. So we'll prepare a small note on that and we'll send it to the press.